Can I cut back a white pine that's gotten too tall?
You can.
You can. You don't really
Need
cut back
firewood?
pines all that much. I mean, what's going to happen if you top your pine? Like, what's going to happen? It's going to send at least 2, maybe 3 even main leaders that are going to go up and get right just as tall as they were. Okay, so do you want that? I mean, we don't. Pines are one of those specific plants that like really don't lose their main leader. There's hardly any deciduous tree out there that's going to keep that same leader all the way up. Pines are different with that. That's why they're used as timber trees so much. They are long, single sticks of wood pretty much. So we don't generally top them out if they've gotten too tall. I hate to say this, but I mean, if the white pine's not where it should be, you might need to either move it or just get rid of the white pine.
And as they say in Sequatchie County, when that phenomenon occurs, that the white pine is forked.
Yes.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
It's got a fork
Careful
in
with
it.
your careful
Yeah,
with your
it's got a
language.
fork in it.
Yeah.
That's the way
They're
that is.
so pretty when you top them too.
You know, the
Yeah, no.
real way to do that, but you have to do this all along, is to, they'll put out these candles, and if you'll pinch out the middle one, and it takes quite a bit of time, and your fingers get really sticky with pine resin,
Yeah.
but the resulting growth that comes out of it, I mean, they'll be thick, and it won't keep them from getting tall, but it will keep them nice and thick. So
They
you
don't
have-
look like bonsai when you trim them.
No.
Don't do it. Don't.
It might be kind of interesting.
Yeah, they're silly fuzzy mushrooms. I mean, they're really
Well, David is right though too.
Yeah.
Like whenever you see a white pine naturally that just kind of pops up, it's fairly thin and spindly, and it grows tall, and that's what it does. Now, when we get them in, say for Christmas time to plant as a living Christmas tree, they are super tight, dense, fluffy guys, but they still have that main leader. But they've been sheared on the sides as the years have gone on to fluff them out. But no topping has ever really been done on those. So I don't really recommend that. I think, like you said, Josh, it's going to look rough first off, and then it's going to do things you probably don't want it to do.
I don't think I've ever seen one that I've seen this done, and they never get back to where you want them to be.
Yeah.
So
You'd have to top it and then let it flush and then selectively remove the non-dominant leaders.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could get it close. But even
Yeah.
at that, it's...
Yeah. So it can be done, but we don't really, I don't know. I'm not feeling that look.
It can, but it's not going to look great.
Yeah, I don't think so.
fuzzy
Well, if you do
mushroom.
it, send us photos. We want
Yes.
to
They
see.
look
There
a
you
little
go.
blunted.
We won't make fun of you.
Never.
much.
I don't believe Josh for 1 second.
Would I lie to you?
Never.
Nah.
Never.
Ask my daughters.